So the reason why you're not having any luck fixing your credit is because there's two things that you're missing out on. One is that you're not looking for inconsistency. So when you have an account reported on your credit that's a negative account, look for things that are inconsistent. TransUnion might be reporting your date open as one thing. Experian might be saying something different. That right there is inconsistent. Everything has to be 100% accurate on your credit profile. This is what's called factual disputing. You're disputing the facts of everything that's on your profile. So you can't open the same account in 2 different days. You can't open it January 1st and also January 3rd. So somebody's lying. Somebody needs to show me some proof when this account was open. If you can't verify that, you need to take it off my credit. And if you say it's verified, how did you verify it? Who did you verify with? What's your method of verification? Who did you talk to? How can I reach him? What time you talk to him? I want to know all of that stuff, because how can I verify that you actually know what you're talking about unless you prove it to me? Because the burden of proof is on them now, because they're saying that this account is accurate. So you need to prove to me that it's accurate. So look for inconsistency whenever you're looking at your credit report, and that's what you want to dispute. Dispute that inconsistency on your report.